Adding school logos and colors has never been easier. With Canva for Education, you have access to all APS logos. Let me show you. Let's customize this newsletter and brand it for your school. On the left-hand side in Canva, click on Brand. You will see there's a drop-down here. If you click on it, this includes all of our schools in the district and some departments. You can type in your school or scroll to search. I will click on Albuquerque High School, and then you'll notice the logo for the school will pop up here and all of the colors that match the logo. One click here will shuffle those colors of your newsletter and change them to the branded color. You can also click on the logo and it will add it to your design. Now you're ready to drag and resize, and you have a custom newsletter that matches your school. To search for other school logos or our APS logo, you can just type in APS, and here I can go to the APS district logos, and here are the logos that have been approved, as well as our district colors that you can use in your designs. I hope this has been helpful. Have fun branding. Need help with any other Canva features? Go ahead and leave us a comment below. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.